Welcome back to my Gurukul. Today we will show you about stack and drums. Let's get into the video.
Yet another play toy video. This is from Fun School and the name is Stacking Drums, right? So it claims that it develops hand and eye coordination and develops observation skills. I was thinking that this really looks good, and it's for children who are 12 plus months old. I think you can give this one to children who are 8 months and above also, right? So your little one can you can read this. Of course, I think you can take a screenshot and read this. Develops motor skills, stimulates senses, and encourages them to. Let me read it again. Yeah, made in India, something which I'm really very particular about. I think you would have seen that in the previous video. It is 175 rupees that is worth. Let's go for shopping and check how we can make this one better. So I've got into the nearest stationery shop and tried to see if I can pick up anything where I can make the same stacking drums with more activities. I mean, using the same stacking drums, can we make more activities for our children at home? All right, so I have been searching for things. These are files, you can see me. The first one which you saw, the flamingo, was a diary. These are colorful balloon packets, small ones, but I haven't selected that. Birthday candle, so that I don't think so it will be of any use to us. Yeah, this seems something interesting. Again, these are birthday candles. No, I don't think so. This can be used too. Let's see if we can find some more interesting things to make the stacking drums. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. Ice cream sticks. But I think the one with the colored one is looking better for me. It's attractive for the children. So let's check what's the price. 50 rupees. Okay, not bad. So I'm going to pick this up. Yeah. Definitely, for sure. I will tell you what to do with this wool. Again, this is good, but then the children might put it into their mouth, so not going for it. And wow, this looks good. Again, this I would have picked up if the child is not putting any things into the mouth, but no, it's very dangerous. The children might put it into their mouth, so no, discard it. Wow, this looks colorful too. Pom-poms, but let me check the price. 30 rupees. I think doesn't. I wanted more quantity, less price, right? Beads, clips, I think. No metal, because sharp edges might just prick into their gums, because they'll be teething. 1 year children, 1 year old children. These are again small ones which might get into their it might choke them up if they put it forcefully into their mouth. Wow, this is making beautiful sound. Bells. We will pick this up again when we make sound box. I want to make sound box to stimulate their hearing skills. So I will pick this up when I find the apt boxes to make sound boxes. 20 rupees. So it seems very reasonable. Yeah. Bell, small ones, but this isn't making any sound though. Just as one single color, golden one. Shells, again all of these. I'm a little scared that these, when we use these for activity for children who are less than 1 year old or 2 years old, they might just put it into their mouth. This looks good. Again, this is a leaf, probably for sensory, to teach them what is soft and hard. Yeah, this is good. Again, kundan, but no, not for 20 rupees. Yeah, seems good. I think that's it, because I'm getting late, right? So I won't be able to spend more time now for shopping. Wow, these counters also look good, big enough. They might not directly choke into the child's mouth, but risky again, because they're again pretty small. These also look good. These are not stickers actually. These are wood pieces cut into shapes like that. These are the stickers. This you can use it for children when your child is writing, right? So put them a star or put them these hearts, so that motivate them and they write more. Right? Wow, these are beautiful. Feathers. I feel like picking this up, but then I haven't planned an activity. I don't want to unnecessarily pick up and then think of it. All of these good ones. I think you will find all of these in any of your nearby stationery shops where you get these bangles and all that. So you will definitely find one stationery shop close by to your home, right? So I think that's it. Yeah, you can pick up these also. Jungle animals makes sense, but then again this is only for I'm just checking the age, 3 years and above. No. Yeah, so this is what I picked up. I picked this up 50 rupees. Yeah, and this is 175 rupees. That, of course, this was gifted for my child, and this one I've picked it up. So let's try to see what and all activities we can do with these two. Right, the first thing is stacking. That is, you just have to allow your child to stack up or pile it up like this. Right, so let's open it up and check. Let's open it up and check. Yeah, so the first there's one more. Yeah, so the first activity is probably letting the children actually remove it by themselves, right? So there will be children who will try to remove it one by one, and there will be other smart children who will just take it and try to shake it and everything falls down, right? So this is the first activity. That is, they need to open up or unbox the drums here, right? Oh, there's one more. Yes, so the drums are there. I went arranged it. So the next activity is actually stacking them up. That meaning, yeah, arranging them based on their size and shape. They will take some time. I'm shooting the video and doing this, so it will take some time. Yeah, I think I can do this. This looks better. Alright, so stacking. Yeah, so stacking. The second activity. Next one is trying to put the bigger into the smaller one. So this is not there. Let's try with the blue. Yeah, seems good. Yes, of course this can be done even with steel cups and steel tumblers in your house. If you have different size of steel cups and different shapes and size of different sizes of the same shape of steel tumblers at home and steel cups at home, Bati steel cups at home, then the same thing can be done, right? So two activities done, one being stacking based on which one is big to small, and then one is trying to put or place them according to their size. Alright, so these two activities can be done here. Of course, color recognition is another activity again, but then I told you that I want to improve, or I want to give more activities with the same drums for the child, right? So let me open this up. Let me open this up for you, because I'm shooting it by myself today and I'm happy about it too. So here it is. I have unboxed this, and now what I want to do is the other activity will be pick up any object which is colorful like this, and objects which are matching with the colors of the drums, right? That's the reason I did not pick the color balloons up there, because I knew approximately what were the colors of the drums. So I picked up these ice cream sticks which are big enough, which the child might not choke by eating, right? All that the child will do is probably chew them, right? Now I don't know how safe these colors are, but chewing them I think should be done. They are not very rough. I'm just trying to check whether the edges are rough. No, they are not. So they're smooth enough, and I think we should go ahead with this. Alright, so the next one is trying to match these ice cream sticks and helping your child to put it in the same one, right? Helping. Now this can be done beyond 1.5 years old, and it can go till 2.5 based on the development of your child, because every child's development differs, right? So we'll try to match up as many as possible. Yes, so I think we've got 3. So then should we segregate? Oh no, I think we have orange, right? Don't we? We have yellow too. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, see, check how many. So 5. So this is another activity using the same toy. Done. So this is matching with the same color, matching. Alright. So once the matching is done, then the same toy, store it until the child is 5 years old, and I'll tell you what and all you can do this. So we are done with 1 year old. What the 1 year old will do is probably try to take out the drums from inside to outside and try to stack them up. Yes, 1 to 1.5 year. After that, you start introducing the colors to them and ask them to match the same colors. Right? Put it inside. Right? So once this is done, then we go ahead and teach something called as counting. We just take only one color and then we ask them to just count. That's all. Now you need to make sure that you give all of these colors and we just count them. The mother will just count them. This introduction of numbers. Right? It need not be the same color, just numbers. 1, 2, 3. So you are just introducing the numbers to them. Numbering concept. 3. And done. So age and above, what you do next is use these drums. Right? Try to label them here. You can make small labels in white sheet with some numbers. Say 1, 2, 3, 0 and paste it up here. Paste them here. Right? So say for example, if you have pasted a number here 4, then the child will have to pick up any stick with 4 initially, and then finally same color stick 4. He needs to place 4 here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? So whatever number you would have labeled here or written here with a permanent marker, those many sticks need to be here. Alright? And then when they are around 4.5 or 5 years old, what you have to do is you have to give an oral instruction, add the number of sticks in blue drum and the red drum or the pink drum. What's the total number of? Can you see the ant there? Yeah, these days we are having this issue. Slight rain in Chennai, so and we staying in ground floor, ants around. Right? So the same stacking drum can be used from age 8 months and above till 4.5 to 5 years. Right? So what and all can you do? You can teach them shapes, colors, sizes, stacking, unstacking, and numbers, counting, addition, subtraction, all of these with the same stacking drums and any other teaching aid like this. Right? So that's all for today. See you again with another video. If you do like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And yes, I am so happy that we are 200 subscribers now, and that's very exciting for me. Right? So let's pass on, or let's forward the videos if you like it to your friends and family, and try to see if we can reach 1000 as early as possible. Bye bye. See you.